Looking up the hill. Ready? Right, Beehive.
Beehive, first real climbs.
I'm on an iron thing. Look at me, leave me on my iron.
We have a
Iron thing.
little iron thing that's got us. Oop, sliding.
Well, we'll recover the camera and see what happens.
This is shockproof, right?
Hey, look, you're right there.
This is what the view looks like. Sand beach right there. We think that's Old Soaker. That's a sailboat. Gone?
Go ahead.
All right.
Go around. Just try and look ahead as much as you're looking at your feet. Try and look at your feet and make sure you don't slip.
We didn't miss much there.
Hey, how do they get these in here?
There's the iron rungs that we like.
There's like drill a hole, but how do they keep it from slipping?
Do you think they put it in really cold and contracted and somehow riveted out?
Hey, look at all the irons. Oh, another one.
Ready? This is the iron rungs we're starting to look at here. We're hoping that we get to some of the open-faced cliffs. Brochures claim this to be the second most perilous hiking trail.
There's a little cairn down there.
Baby Karen?
Yeah, they were like, we're done.
Catch us climbing too.
Hey. Look at that view. I know it doesn't get different, but it's pretty.
Back. Down and out. And here.
There.
Taking a picture. Are you taking a picture?
Alright. I'll let you go ahead. We'll get some scenic shots in the meantime.
I like short takes, so.
Quick scenery. This is the trail. The blue mark and the scattered bodies. These trees. Oh, it's always fun when the rock is slippery. Here's how I'm gonna do this. Pine trees are my favorite to take photos of. Good. That's what that looks like down there. Not exactly a cliff, but close enough.
Imagine if it was raining.
Getting more scenery here. I don't know if you can hear the surf on tape. And John says we're getting close to the top, which is saddening of how short the climb was. But we like climbing. We like iron bars. Nice. Pan higher up.
Tip your head back some. That's good.
Try again so it wasn't a pan with my shoes. These are slick.
Take a look up there before shut off up the slope.
Let's see numbers.
Testing. The remote quit, so we're just seeing if we can use this without the remote, which we can. So we're going to keep doing that until we get to the top. And this is where Nick is going to be climbing up here.
Alright.
Not sure where else it goes from there, but there you go, bye.
Okay. We should be rolling right now. Dad's getting a picture, so we'll turn it off. Pause. Alright, so if I was back on, we roll. There's people down there who are just coming across the beginning of the trail. You can see the cairn down by those two people is where this trail started and went off this way. Here's what the view looks like. There's Dad's butt. This ain't your average hiking trail.
Anything but horizontal slopes.
Luckily, I have the power of using it on not so horizontal slopes to give you that view there.
Not going the outside of the group. Whoops.
For those of you at home, I'd like to point out that this rock is really slidey. And that there's a cliff.
Stay to your left, please.
Earlier I found a pair of sunglasses of Body's. Okay, I was just on the edge, but he probably put them there on his fall.
Threw them off to jettison weight to make the landing slightly softer at the bottom.
That's as close as I'm going to get. I can creep up over this current bush. That's over this edge. It's not as steep, but climbing up.
Don't go down there. And why would you use it anyway? You don't borrow someone's chapstick. Get away from the edge, please.
John being stupid.
There's a little left in it. Is it yours?
No, there's a
Then
rock.
get back here. Get back here.
There it goes.
There you go, folks. You almost just witnessed John's death. Give it some time. We'll see it. We'll catch it on the tape.
I can walk up some 3 times and see this.
Alright, hold on again. I'm not going to get most picturesque views as I try and climb up this with my dinkles. Yes, that's right. Pro mountain climbing shoes. There's the sun. I'm not going to look at it. I'm blind. This is apparently where the trail goes up here.
I see rocks. I thought this was a handhold.
We'll stop for a nice scenic view here. I don't know if we can point out any landmarks or not. I believe that this is Otter Cove. Anyway, we're continuing. Blue mark. They're showing you that, yes, this is indeed a trail.
Here's the photo I just took. Here's the perspective that it has.
Ooh. It's a wonderful view up here. We're almost to the top. There's a few more iron bars, so we'll keep rolling. And no, iron bars is not where foundry workers go after their job. I'm gonna continue on up. Doing my best to keep my head pointed forward. Almost to the top. The pinnacle. So close. Oh, just got hit in the head by a dragonfly. This isn't the peak just yet. We're very close, but still rolling. No, a few feet behind me. Yeah, look at that view right there. Going off for now. Right after some photo ops and snacks, we're gonna continue the last bit up to the summit. Interesting grooves here. Dad, I'm just gonna tape the last bit to the summit. I'm gonna tape the last bit up to the summit. This is mostly for the picturesque scenery, not as much for the climbing. Hello, guys. I'm not sure if any of this is it or not yet. There's usually a cairn to mark. I still see trail. This looks to be about it. This is the other side that we could not see earlier. These are the rolling mountains nearby here. We'll see right there is Precipice Trail, all up through on the steeper side there. I don't know if I'm pointing at the right thing. But we took that yesterday, and people say that this hike is a near second in strenuousness. That looks to be Cadillac Mountain, looming off in the distance, a taller one. Here you can see all the little islands in the bay. And if I may stress a guess, here I am on the peak of the Beehive in Bar Harbor, Maine. Acadia, whatever.